know if this won't leave again. Now I'm here, right beside from what I know. Now I see he's in love with someone else. Now I know I just gotta let him go, because it's over. Help me get over. I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go, but I know there's no sense in holding on too much to something fading. Help me, help me, help me get over you. Now I see you're so happy with her. Deep inside, I just don't know what to do. Yun pala.